Hello, my name is Patrick Tremper. I am a process associate at PeopleShores located in San Jose, California. In my last video, I talked about VLOOKUP and match and index. Um, in this video, I will talk about HLOOKUP. Now what HLOOKUP is it is similar to VLOOKUP, except VLOOKUP looks up values vertically and HLOOKUP looks up values horizontally. So the data set that we're going to work with for the VLOOKUP, for the HLOOKUP, will be in the Willie Mack Awards. Now the Willie Mack Awards, one Willie Mack Award is assigned to a player on my favorite MLB team each year, the San Francisco Giants. So let's use an example. Say that we want to know who won the Willie Mack Award in a certain year. Say that you use HLOOKUP. We need to know the year, so we'll go with the year 2000. The table is going to go from E18 all the way to AS20, and the other player will be in row 2, and we want an exact match, so we'll type in false. And you do not need to type in true and false for this, but I just do it to be on the safe side. There you have it. Ellis Burks won the Willie Mack Award in the year 2000. And now let's see. You want to know the position of a player who won the Willie Mack Award in year 2005. To do this, we'll use HLOOKUP. The year will be 2005. The table is going to go from E18 to AS20. The position will be in row 3, and we want an exact match. There you have it. The position of the player who won the Willie Mack Award in 2005 was a catcher. And now, you want to know. Say you want to know like the position of a player who won the Willie Mack Award. So can you use HLOOKUP for that? You can, but for HLOOKUP values to work, the lookup value must be in the top row of the set. So we're going to use them. We're going to have to manipulate the table a little bit. So you want to know like what position Dave Dravecky was. We'll use HLOOKUP. The lookup value will be Dave Dravecky, which we'll quote because it's a string. And we're going to go from E19 all the way to AS20 because, again, the lookup value is in the top row of the data set. And that information is going to be in row 2. And we want an exact match, so we'll return false. There you have it. Dave Dravecky was a pitcher. So now let's look at let's see if you could figure out these problems using HLOOKUP. Who won the Willie Mack Award in 1997? To do this, you use HLOOKUP. The year is 1997. The data is going to go from E18 to AS20. The person will be in row 2. Wants an exact match. There you have it. JT Snow won the Willie Mack Award in 1997. And now let's see. We want to know the position of the player who won the Willie Mack Award in the year 2012. To do this, we'll use HLOOKUP. Lookup value, the year is 2012. I'm going to go from E18 to AS20. Row's going to be in row 3, and we'll use an exact match, false. There you have it. The position of the player who won the Willie Mack Award in 2012 was a catcher. And now let's talk about match and index for HLOOKUP. Match and index, it is similar to like using for VLOOKUP for HLOOKUP data as for VLOOKUP data, but it's also a little different because For VLOOKUP data, we know the row, but we do not know the column. We know the column, but do not know the row. This one is the total opposite. We know the row, but do not know the column. So, say we want to know what year Chris Beyer won the Willie Mack Award. But then again, as you could see in here, let's see, some players like Benji Molina won the Willie Mack Award more than once. So we're going to have to choose a player that won the Willie Mack Award only once. I guess we'll use Chris Beyer. We'll use him. We know what year he won the Willie Mack Award. To do this, we'll use the index function. It's going to go from E18 to AS20, and that's the array. The year will be in row 1, and we do not know what column Chris Beyer is in, so that's where we're going to use the match function. The match function, we're going to look for Chris Beyer, and it's going to go from E19 to AS19. We want an exact match. There you have it. Chris Beyer won the Willie Mack Award in 1987. Now let's see if you can answer this question. Use and match an index. What year did Dave Dravecky win the Willie Mack Award? To do this, we'll use an index function. The table is going to go from E18 to AS20. The year that Dave Dravecky won the Willie Mack Award is going to be in column 1. And we do not know what column Dave Dravecky is in, so we're going to use the match function. And the lookup value is going to be Dave Dravecky, and go from E19 to AS19. We want an exact match. There you have it. Dave Dravecky won the Willie Mack Award in 1989. Thank you for watching this video. This is a demonstration on Hlookup and match and index using for Hlookup data. Have a great day.